Let's start with the confidence. Confidence and dominance are very important traits because of this you feel much better about yourself. When you have a dominant body language, when you are confident in your body, in your mind, you are feeling very good. You are feeling powerful. You know what you are, who you are, and what you can do. And when you feel that, other people can feel that from you, can feel that confidence, can feel that you are sure about yourself. And that impress people. So, how to stand, how to act that you are a confident person, that you know who you are to impress others. This category I would like to divide into two subsections, and that is body language, and voice, because both of these are very important in impressing people. Both of these are conveying very important message that is helping in impressing others. So the body language, how does a confident body language looks like? I think that we all pretty much know how to do it, and that is like shoulders are pushed back, so the chest is exposed, the head should be erected, stance should be usually like a shoulder wide, and that is a dominant stance. When you are going to stand in this kind of stance, you are going to feel that you are powerful, that the blood can run to all edges of your body and you are feeling powerful. That's like a little experiment. You can try that. When you are going to stand in this kind of position, you are going to feel that you suck, that you can't do anything at all. On the other hand, when you are going to stand like this, you start feeling that you are actually powerful. And when you are going to feel like that, other people are going to feel that from you, and they are going to perceive you like that. And about the movements should be slower. The movement should be on purpose. When you know what movement you want to do, you should do it. You shouldn't do like these crazy confused movements that leads nowhere. And that's very, very similar like with your voice. You shouldn't speak like try not to do these sounds. Try to say only what you want to say. Try to be aware what you are talking about, and not try to speak so fast, to say everything at once. Try to think about your words. Because when you will do that, other people start thinking about, he knows what he's talking about, he's just thinking about how to say the best. He knows how to help me the best, but he's just trying to build a sentence to make it the best way for me. And when you are going to do that, you are going to be perceived as a dominant person, as a person who knows as a person who knows what he's talking about. So think about that and try to not be too fast in movements, in talking, but take your time. Because like privilege of a dominant people, of a, I might say, royalty, is that they don't have to do fast movements. When you are going to observe someone who is actually very powerful, that person is not going to do fast movement. He's going to take his time. So you don't have to take very much time, but act alongside this rule. Take your time. Do not rush anywhere. They are going to wait for you, and then they are going to perceive you as more important person, as a more dominant person, and you will feel so, and other people will be impressed much more by it. So this is the first what I wanted to spoke about in this section.